morning. How are you?
Hi.
Very good. You all look so beautiful and smart. And we are grateful that we could come and witness what you are doing here this morning. We are so proud of you, and we want you to know that we love you because you are our greatest blessing from God. And the way the church is training you, I want to thank Reverend and the leaders of the church for the investment of time and planning in you, because you are the reason, you are the focus of our daily struggle as parents, because our lives will mean nothing if we are not doing anything to support you. So as you mount the brigade today and succeed, we hope that you will continue to internalize and stay with the lessons that you are learning in church today, which will order and help your steps and your life as you grow and as you go forward. But most importantly, I want to tell you this: there is nothing you can do. Even if you forget everything I've said this morning, my wonderful young people, don't forget this. There's nothing better you can do with your life than serve the Lord and live a life that respects the Lord. So live straight. Follow what you're being taught by your parents, by your church leaders, by your teachers, and follow the examples that you're being given by our wonderful church leaders like ours. May God bless you in whatever you do. May you have a successful day in this, and thank you so much for allowing us to do that. Thanks. I'll make a small contribution, a small offering to the brigades, to the reference, and we will tell you about it. Thank you.